This will be my first time in a summer camp. I'll need many things to bring there, so I need to buy the following items: first aid kit, rugby ball, diary, hooded sweater, camera, sunglasses, bracelet. I have to do shopping in many places to buy all the necessary items. Let's see which shops I'll have to visit. Chemists, electronics shop, jewelers, opticians, sports shop, clothes shop, stationery shop. Great! I'll visit these shops starting with the nearest one, and I hope to find all the items for the camp. I have bought a first aid kit at the chemists, sunglasses at the opticians, a diary at the stationery shop, and a camera at the electronics shop. I haven't bought a bracelet at the jewelers, a hooded sweater at the clothes shop, and a rugby ball at the sports shop. Oh, I've been shopping for several hours. I have bought a diary at the stationery shop. I haven't bought a rugby ball at the sports shop. I've been shopping for several hours. Remember, we use present perfect here for a recently finished action, where we focus on the result. We use present perfect continuous here for a finished action, which lasted for a certain period of time,